Let's improve English. Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Improve English. Like always, I'm going to improve your English through this video. I'm going to tell you some very useful English translations of some confusing but useful Hindi sentences. You're going to love this video and you're going to learn a lot from this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end in order to reap all the benefits from this video. So let's look at the first sentence, which is मुझे गलत मत समझना. How can we say this in English? We can say, don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong. Don't misunderstand me, don't get me wrong. तुम छोटी सी बात पे नाराज हो जाते हो. We're gonna say, you get upset over a very trivial matter. You get upset over a very trivial matter. If something is trivial, it's unimportant, it's very small, you should not pay much attention to it, but still you somehow pay much attention to it, it's trivial. You get upset over a very trivial matter. कोई और रास्ता ज़रूर होगा कोई और रास्ता. We can say, there must be some other way. There must be some other way. अपने पापा की बात ना मानने से पहले तुम्हें 2 बार सोचना चाहिए था. We can say, you should have thought twice before disobeying your father. Disobeying someone means not doing what he or she wants you to do. You should have thought twice before disobeying your father. Twice means 2 times. When we have to say 2 times, we don't say 2 times, we say twice. 3 times, we say thrice. 1 time, we say once. 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. You should have thought twice before disobeying your father. ये कील दीवार में गाड़ दो. How are we gonna say this in English? Hammer this nail into the wall. Yes, I know you know that hammer is the object that you use to hit the nail into the wall, but hammer can also be used as a verb. Hammer this nail into the wall. अपनी उंगली पर मत मार देना. Accidentally people hit their finger when they are hammering some nail into the wall. Don't hit your finger. Pay attention, be careful. खाना थोड़ा ठंडा तो होने दो. Some people are so impatient that they can't wait for the food to be cool. They just start eating the moment the food is served to them. Let the food cool down a little. To let something happen means to allow something to happen. If you want a detailed video on let, you can watch that video. I have already uploaded a video on let. In that video, I discussed different ways you can use let in sentences in English. आप मुझ पर गलत इल्ज़ाम लगा रहे हैं. We can say, you are falsely accusing me. You're saying something that I haven't done. You are falsely accusing me. And you can watch the video on let by clicking on this link at the top right corner. अशुभ बातें मत करो. How can we say this in English? Don't say ominous things. If something is ominous, that means it somehow shows that something bad is going to happen or something bad might happen. Don't say ominous things. अशुभ बातें मत करो. अगर तुम्हें कुछ हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगा? What will I do if any harm comes to you? When we say अगर तुम्हें कुछ हो गया तो, we mean that I don't want any harm to come to you. What will I do if any harm comes to you? तुम्हें तो बस मुझे ताना मारने का एक मौका चाहिए. You just need a chance to taunt me. To taunt someone means to say bad things about someone, to say things that irritate that person. So you just need a chance to taunt me. Why do you do that? Why don't you stop doing it? खून दान देना तो पुण्य का काम होता है. At times we say that doing this is पुण्य का काम, ये करना पुण्य का काम होता है, वो करना पुण्य का काम होता है. How can we translate those sentences into English? We can say, donating blood is a noble cause. Donating blood is a noble cause, is a noble deed. Donating blood is a noble cause. खून दान देना तो पुण्य का काम होता है. ऐसा पति तुम्हें चिराग लेकर ढूंढने पर भी नहीं मिलेगा. How can we say this in English? We can say, you won't find such a husband no matter how hard you try to find. When we say चिराग लेकर ढूंढने पर भी नहीं मिलेगा, कहने का सेंस ये है कि कितने ही कोशिश कर लो फिर भी नहीं मिलेगा. इंग्लिश में हम सिंपली कह सकते हैं, no matter how hard you try to find, you won't find such a husband. डॉक्टर भगवान का रूप होते हैं. Many times we say that बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं. डॉक्टर भगवान का रूप होते हैं. How can we say? Doctors are akin to God. Doctors are akin to God. That means they are similar to God. समझाना मेरा फर्ज था, बाकी तुम जानो, बाकी तुम जानो. इंग्लिश में कहेंगे It was my duty to make you see sense. You know the rest. It was my duty to make you see sense. You know the rest. अब बाकी का तुम जानो, तुम्हारा काम जाने. अब कहने सुनने को रह ही क्या गया है? क्या रह गया है कहने सुनने को? What's left to be discussed now? What is left to be discussed now? कहना सुनना यानी डिस्कस करना, तो यहाँ पर हमें डिस्कस वर्ब का यूज करना चाहिए. What is left to be discussed now? कहने सुनने को रह ही क्या गया है? So friends, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video and you learned something from this video. If you want to keep improving your English just like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed to this channel. We'll talk in the next video lesson. Till then, take care and bye.